Welcome. I look forward to our learning journey this week. This workshop is intended for educators who are interested in integrating AR/VR into the classroom or the campuses. We'll be exploring and discussing best practices, examples, and suggestions for incorporating AR/VR into higher ed settings. Let's talk about making a smart start to your workshop. First, think of about two or three things that you want to accomplish. This will help you avoid being overwhelmed by all the resources. Make and mark time on your calendar and enjoy the ride. I realize you're trying to squeeze this workshop in while life is happening. Let this bring you energy. Make connections with some folks and stay connected after a workshop to increase your personal network. Start at the home page, look through the syllabus, the workshop schedule, and browse the modules and get a feel for the ask of the workshop. The first to do will be to introduce yourself in a workshop introductions module. This is a fast-paced week, so we'll want to get connected right away. It'll be great to get to know you better and start building our learning community.